everybody, it's Debbie Turner with the Turner Real Estate Network, and I'm here today in the beautiful John Cannon model with Don Miller. He's going to talk to us a little bit about John Cannon, and I also wanted to point out this publication that John Cannon has. It's Live Well. This is the 3rd edition that they've had, and you should come by and grab one of these and just have a look. Don's going to tell you about the quality of John Cannon, but this will give you a visual picture of all the many upgrades and floor plans and just different things that can be done here. So Don, can you tell me what really makes John Cannon different?
Oh, what a great question. Hey, let me point to one thing. You know, for 25 years in a row, John Cannon has been voted the best builder in Sarasota County and Manatee County by the People's Choice Award. And you know, that's the voice of the customer, so it kind of sets the stage.
And he's only been building for 30 years, so it only took him 5 years to be the best.
Yeah.
And been consistently best every year after that. That's
John's got a great feeling about building. John is an architect himself. He graduated from Michigan with a building degree. But what makes this system, our process, better is just the people we have, the materials we use, and the process. Process is easy. We just have the folks in one building. We have the architects in a building, design center in a building. We have the building crews working out of the same building. So everybody's on the same sheet. The second part is the materials. We use custom cabinetry, all wood box. We use hardwood door, all solid core doors. So things like that. Even the pavers we're looking at are on crushed concrete. They're not just on sand. John figures that's the bones of the house, and that's vitally important to design a custom house for somebody. You know, all our homes are custom. We don't build the same house twice, but our crews know how to do that. And then we have designers. We have everything for the customer to make it easy and fun. And I say that again, easy and fun, because that's the name of our process. People enjoy working with us, enjoy making their plan theirs. So please come out. We'll give you an opportunity to see what's in here.
Well, I think that Don said it best, and the Turner team was actually here in this model, and we had a rare opportunity to sit and speak with John Cannon himself, and I can tell you that his passion, his heart's in building, and he knows all of his clients by name, and I think that really speaks volumes for his building process. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. Have a great day.